Hey there internet, we've got the walls installed, so I'll show you what we did this weekend here. We made these temporary supports here out of some scrap and went ahead and used PL Premium to fill up the gaps there. This isn't as tight as cabinetry or anything, so wood glue probably wouldn't have cut it. You saw we pocket holed on the other side, and then we screwed in on this side to tuck everything in. This is our I think it's called rabbit joint, and it kind of laps over the edge here. This is our 3/4 and our 1/4 inch outside skin, laps over the edge, and that's all gooped up and full of glue. And the tops wanted to pull in like this. We measured that to make sure that everything was kind of square, and found out that we needed these extra spars up here to hold everything kind of square and push out against these walls a little bit while it was drying. The other thing I'll show you is the gouge I made with the router here. My router caught here, yanked over here, and stuck, and a nice little gouge, but we're gonna leave it. I had a few people look at it. My grandfather, we don't think it's gonna matter. We're just gonna, the trim's gonna cover all this anyways, and it's not structurally gonna matter either, so it's gonna be all gooped up with butyl tape, so I don't think anything's gonna seep in there. So we're just gonna leave that and see how it goes. So we're gonna move on from here and put some insulation in the walls, and start doing cabinetry and interior walls and all sorts of stuff. So it's a gong show from here on out.